Hey, how you doing, guys? Nissan Murano 2018. So I'm gonna do an oil change. I got the oil over here. So we're using 0W20, and then I got the filter. I'm using Pennzoil. All right, to do this, make sure you warm it up for like 2 minutes, and then after that you can come down here, but don't forget the safety first. So I got the jack and the jack stand on the other side. All right, so we're gonna come down here, and you want to check this plastic clips. So there's one over here and one, I think it's over here. So 1, 2 clips, that's all you have to remove. So what you want to do is just do this with the flathead screwdriver. Go over here and like go like this, and I'm gonna show you. So you see between, I put the screwdriver between these two things, and I just move it around, and that's how you do it to remove the plastic. You're gonna figure out there's a little thing on the clip that you're gonna put the screwdriver, and then just turn it, and then that thing is gonna come off. All right, as soon as you remove these 2 clips, this plastic cover is gonna go down, and you're gonna have access to the oil pan plug, which is a 14 millimeters. All right, and the filter is, I'll show you what the filter is in a minute. Just let me open this up first. Let me put some lights over here. There you go, now we got light. So 14 millimeter with the wrench. I'm using this one. All right, it's already loose. There you go. I can feel the oil. The oil. It's kind of warm. So if you warm it up your car for like 2-3 minutes, the oil is gonna be really, when it's hot, it's more liquid, or how you call it, like, I don't know, but your motor cleans, that thing drains better when it's hot. So that's the thing, and your motor is gonna be clean. By the way, let me wipe this thing. We're gonna put it on the side, and we're gonna leave it like that for like 2-3 minutes. Alright, when you see that dripping, I mean, you can put your plug back in. What is it? Okay, so here. And what I recommend, it's as soon as you put that thing, the plug back in, just tight. Make sure you tighten it up right away. Otherwise you can forget about it, and that's gonna be a problem. And over here, don't go too tight. Just when you feel like a lot of resistance, just to go a little bit more, and that's it. That's it. So all right. So we're gonna push this over that way, but I wanna put the clips. I'm gonna put this clip first. There's the clips, and then where's the filter? Let me see where the filter. It's over here on that side. All right, so I was gonna put this cover back on. But the thing is that when we remove the filter, the oil filter, which is over here, it's gonna drip oil over here. So I need the cover remove again, because I don't want oil. You see, this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put my oil catch over here on the bottom. Now I can remove my filter. So you can remove these two clips if you want. That's gonna make your job a little bit easy, but I don't have any problems to do it like this. So the filter is over here by the control arm. You're gonna see the chassis thing over here. Everything is on the left side. The right side of the car. See that? Okay. Alright, we're gonna put that on the side. We're gonna leave it like this for a little bit. Always make sure the black gasket comes with the filter, okay? Because you don't want a double. You don't want a double gasket on the motor. Alright, I put the new one in. You know, I had a lot of grease in my hand, so that's why I didn't record it. But you see, it's installed now, so it's very easy. All I'm gonna do is just clean this up a little bit. We don't want oil all over. That's why it's important to have like a cardboard or something on the bottom. That way we don't make a lot of mess. Put this out of here. So it's a little messy right now, but it's not too bad. So alright, I'm gonna put this thing back on. You know what? I got more over here. Okay, I'm gonna put this plastic back on. Alright. So we're done over here. We're gonna come up here. Ooh, if you have problems with this, I'm gonna show you how to release it. And there you go. So if you have problems to lose this up, yeah, let me see if it got light on. Yeah, I got the light on. Yes, so grab some kind of pliers. I got this one, this needle nose. See that? Alright, we're gonna put the funnel. I got the oil ready. So we're gonna do 5 cords in this one. I'm gonna try to do with one hand. There you go. So we're gonna put 5 cords on this truck. There you go, 5 quarts. All right, so that's how we change the oil, and that's Murano 2018. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.